Hi guys! So, andito po tayo ngayon sa Chocolate Hills dito sa Bohol. Ayan, nakita yan. Oh, kaya lang guys, bawal po yung drone. I'm so inis. Walang drone. Right, Clark? No drone. After 8 a.m.
Those won't allow.
Oh, I hate it.
Why, Daddy? Why?
How can I fly if we are not allowed to? Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa Chocolate Hills. Oh. Haket po tayo dyan sa taas. Pero bayad muna tayo.
Hindi nakita nyo.
Wala. Bayad muna tayo, bayad. Bayad muna tayo. Bayad muna ka pa. Bayad muna kami. Oh. Stop na tayo. Bayad eh. Te, ang bayad ba? Ang kanang yung mag-cut-cut na sa taas o
Basta
sa complex na?
Taga-disa mo, sir.
Ha? Hagna.
Hagna. Unsay ngan, sir?
Ronald.
Ronald
Kaga.
Haga. Contact number, sir.
09 8236
8336.
8236.
8336. Okay, sir. Ato lang tabayad, sir.
Pila na bayad na?
50 isa.
So kita isa. Up. Up, sorry ma. Ito po yung binigay sa akin. 555. Ganito be, alali be. Ganito. Hold this. I have to hide my wallet first.
Magkano interest nila?
50 tanan. Basta nakakat ka sa kwenta na. Ganito ka lang.
50 cut lang. Cost
Kahit basta na dito. Naka-record dyan.
Sana nakadiri. Kuyog na parking yan.
Kuya na parking yan.
Okay lang. Asa na yung papa na? Akyat na?
Kasi si Papa. Guys, akyat po kami doon sa taas. Oh. Yan, step by step. Bakit na sila mami, Clark. Tara. Sama kayo. Yan.
Akyat ka?
Akyat ka pa? Yan.
Di na?
Okay na pa. Akyat pa kayo pa.
Sige, bye.
Yan. So, ayun na akyat ni Papa. Kasi, taas ako to eh. Oh! You see the chocolate star? Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet? You taste the chocolate, huh? Going up over there. Oh my. Oh. Come now. Stay on the right side, Clark. Up. Started already?
No.
No? Oh. Come on. Look, Tommy's over there.
Then what happened about that?
Come on, let's go up. Oh. Woo. You sit for mommy. Eh, are you? Come on. Want to sit there first for a while, Clark? Come on.
Dali na. Anak. Take picture ng dad. Gusto ni daddy. Uy.
Ito. Yan guys. Kalahati pa lang kami.
Pipit lang.
Ayun nga, Roy.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Sige na, para okay lang.
Yes.
It's a nice view.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Sige, clap. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Okay. Tara, kata kami.
Tara.
Go.
Ayan, kami kita maagad doon. Ang sito dahil makalimit ka, inuman na. Dali. Dali mo lab. Ito kami, ay paulit mo sa sila. Dali, dali mo.
Ang guwap na.
Sa others mo.
So yan pa itsura sa baba. Yan, paakyat. Oh.
Where's Lolo?
Lolo's downstairs. He came here already many times. So he doesn't want to come.
Where's Lolo now?
Lolo maybe inside the car.
Yeah.
Come on, stop.
Wait. Lolo is not calling him?
Yeah, Lolo already came here so many times. Yeah. And you know, if you grow old, you have a lot of pains already. So that's why Lolo doesn't want to come.
Wala ka nag-table ka para dahil ka lang.
Wala. Cable lang.
Pero grabe na sila ngayon maglagay nito ah. Dati hindi ganito.
Hindi ko natandaan yun ate. Hindi ko natandaan to. Oop. See. Saan hills na? See guys, those are the chocolate hills. Awaday ko ulo ni mami. So, park faster. Come on, park. Oh my goodness. Flying up drones after 8 morning since maybe that. No sleeping. Oh my goodness. Hey! Hey! Sama niyo. Ah, hi. Hi. Right, let's go the other way.
Come on. I said why? Oh,
This?
it's not allowed.
Oh my goodness, I hate it. I hate it. Yeah, because we are not allowed to fly. Sabi. Kuan pa? Oh, hi. So ito pa itsura dito sa isang part. Hi. So ito ay medyo mababa. Mami. Yan lang. Ito po, Chocolate Hills.
Wait, anak. Madilim din.
Hi guys! So, andito po tayo ngayon sa Chocolate Hills dito sa Bohol. Ayan, ayan. Oh, kaya lang guys, bawal po yung drone. I'm so inis. Walang drone. Right, Clark? No drone. After 8 a.m.
Those won't allow.
Oh, I hate it.
Why, Daddy? Why?
How can I fly if we are not allowed to? So, yun guys. So, yun po yung drone. Yung ano, chocolate tips dyan. Ito niya. So, sa taas. Galing sa taas. Tara. Uya na, baka umulan pa eh. You know? Let's go, homie. Let's go, Clark. Tara be. Time. No drone. I hate it. Oh, ano kaya to? Siguro kantin to dati. Or toilet. Tapos bawal na. So ito po, Chocolate Hills, National Geological
Oh, these
Monument.
are all the mountains?
Yeah, this one, Clark. These small mountains are the ones that called Chocolate Hills. Yeah,
What's the big mountain?
no, just a mountain. Yeah. Let's go. Yan guys, baba na kami. Going down na. Goodbye, Chocolate Hills. Let's go.
I guess let's go like this now.
Be careful, ha? Okay, oh. Yun lang, take your time.
Let me go first, Clark, so you won't fall. Walang drone? No. Gone.
Oh, someone fell.
Where?
Yeah.
Hey guys, baba na kami eh. Oh, tak. Tasa. Ah, hi. Wala yung drone. Doon pa, nakapark si Papa. Okay, Clark, you're hungry already? Sit first. Ah, sarado pa isa doon. Inaayos pa siguro.
Oh! Ayan na ba yan? Walang-wala sa Barbie.
Nasa lang kami, Papa na. Toilet. Chocolate Hills. Okay, Papa, sa kotse.
Makakakapatid.
So go to Grandpa. There's Granddad, see? Ah, tsaka mo na ba? Picture tayo dyan. Picture mo tayo dyan. Kasama ka. Picture. Kaya dito, dyan. Nasama yung mga babae. Be, picture tayo dito, be.
Daddy?
Yeah, yes. Guys, pauwi na kami. Sa Chocolate Hills. Guys, balik na tayo. Bye!